Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make single line spacing in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. We can see here many slides. You want to add line spacing to this text or paragraph. Firstly, click inside the text box, then select the text. You can select this manually, click and drag on your mouse, otherwise using the keyboard shortcut key. Press Ctrl A on our keyboard to using the keyboard shortcut key. Now you want to add the single, go to the line spacing option, then go to line spacing more than option. Then we can see here the line spacing is single. You can add 1.5, otherwise double, anything. Now firstly I am select the differential, make 0. Then again go back this option and select 0 and make the line spacing single, then click OK. Now we can see we add single line spacing very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.